13 September, 9:16 a.m. Those are mountain sheep or what? Crocodile. As you can see, there is yesterday food and fallen down and what? They didn't wash that thing up also. So, okay, let's check the parrots. So, every day has some kind of new experience or what. In the water, or there's some kind of new shit on me because of this low-level person's new game. It's crocodile and parrots, right? These are budgies. Last day in morning they just transferred them in here, some of them in here from the aviary or what. Oh, and they just put food for budgies. As you can see, there are that thing, as you can see, that rice kind of stuff right there. Food for these guys also right there. It's 13 September and 17 a.m. There's a gray, there's small gray ringneck. Food is right there. Alexander is okay, food is right there. Oh, yeah. And after I'll film it. Food is right there, chana, and yeah, this is of yesterday. This is of yesterday. Those before I show you that parrots is of today food or what? Oh my see, so it's done. 13 September, 9:18 a.m.